the thing which is not, whatever bhajan we are doing. Okay, whatever the food we are taking, it's going in the stomach. It's taking the only good thing, and the bad thing, the thing which is not required, is it is going out from the urine and the stool, and all the nutritions, all the blood and everything, this is going in all the body parts. Like first is rasa, and then the blood is becoming, and then and all the, and slowly the blood is going in the brain, and then whatever food we are taking, within 5 days, somewhere it is mentioned 7 days, in the same way. श्रद्धा साधु संग भजन क्रिया अर्थ निवृत्ति निष्ठा रुचि आसक्ति भाव and प्रेम. This Shraddha, from where are we getting this Shraddha, this faith? From Radharani we are getting. If we are not have the Radharani's mercy, then Shraddha will never manifest in person's heart, Jiva's heart. Radharani Kripa is everything. In Tattva Vichar, Baladev Prabhu Kripa, and in Tattva Rasa Vichar, Radharani's Kripa. With the mercy of Radharani, Shraddha is manifesting in the heart of the person, and with the Shraddha, you get, the person gets sadhu sang. What is the meaning of sadhu sang? Listening the Harikatha from the lotus mouth of sadhu. You are listening Harikatha. That Harikatha, that will increase your bhakti. This is listening Harikatha, it's very important. So in Srimad Bhagavatam, this verse is mentioned. A person who is listening Harikatha, that is known as transcendental vibration. If you listen more Harikatha, and then there will be activity in the soul, all the anarthas will finish. Like in iron there is rust. So that rust needs to be removed. So in a sadhik heart, there are many karmas from many births. Aparadha is there. With listening Harikatha, all this rust is removed from the heart of the jiva. So slowly, then Savrup of soul manifest. Atma's, the soul is this. Soul will start manifesting his Savrup when there will be mercy of Radharani. There is a Savrup of Atma, the soul, in Rasavda. It's Rasya, Sakhe, Madhure. The soul have some potential. The grove have some potential. Like in a seed, there is some potential. So if you will put the seed in the water, then there is some ankur. Then it will grow, and it grow like a tree. Then there is leaves, fruits. So a soul also have potency. So you have to manifest that Savrupa. Everybody have that potential. Some people saying that we don't have anything. How you are getting the sadhu sang then? What is the job of the sadhu? You have to help that person to manifest that person's Savrup with listening of Harikatha to increase his consciousness. Whatever you have in your heart, whatever potential you have, that will only grow up. If somebody have Shantarasya, he will grow up to Shantarasya. If you have somebody have Dasarasya, he will grow to Dasarasya. If somebody have Sakyaras, then he will grow to. If somebody have Vatsalya and then Madhure, they will grow up that level. So you should listen more Harikatha. You should do more association of saintly person. So Rupa Goswami Pad, in Uptashamritam, he is starting from, what is the meaning of sadhu sang? Dadati Pratiginna, giving and receiving.
ददाति प्रतिगिन्ना गुज्जम आख्याति गुज्जम आख्याति
Gujam Akha.
कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ द भजन के बारे में उसको पूछो.
You should ask him about the confidential of the bhajan. Whatever doubts in your heart, you should remove that after asking your question.
और घूमते भजते चैव भजन करो और उनकी विशिष्ट आदि ग्रहण करना.
You should give him the prasadam and then take remanence.
विशिष्ट क्या है?
What is the meaning of remanence?
उनकी भाव की.
You should accept his mood. You should understand the person's mood.
जब तक उनकी भाव
If you'll not understand the mood of the guru, then you will not be able to grow in the bhajan. That is known as sadhu sang. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying that this is known as sadhu sang, dadati pratiginna. By listening Harikathas, there will be greed manifest in the heart of the person. Like Jiva Goswami Pad is giving example. When the person is youth, naturally the boy and girl, they get attracted towards each other. This is natural. This is automatically. In the same way, a person who is doing bhajan, when he reaches to the ruchi dasha, shraddha, satusang, anartha nivritti, nishta, ruchi, when the person reaches to the level of ruchi, then for getting that person, the person gets so much greed. Then he was so eager how to get that. In the nishta, he is doing with his mind, with his intelligence. In ruchi, swabhavika, it's natural, like spontaneous. So nishta is with his intelligence, and ruchi is spontaneous. So in Raganuga Bhakti starts from ruchi. Vedi Bhakti starts from Shraddha to Nishta. And Raganuga Bhakti, everybody is doing this Shraddha and everything, but they reach to the level of ruchi. You understand? For example, there is a 10 floors. For reaching the 10 floors, there are two ways. One, you can go by stair. Using the stairs, you have to go one by one. If you will go to the 10th floor, you are touching all the floors. And the second is, and in your house is the lift. Within 5 seconds you are reaching to the 10th floor, but you are touching all the floors. So in the same way, Raganuga Bhakti, from Shraddha to Ruchi, the person is going, and the person is growing. And in Vidhi Marg, one by one, like stairs, person is going one by one. This is both the process is the same. In one is going very fastly, very quickly, and in other, in Vedi Bhakti, it's going like slowly. In Raganuga, it's like quick. Vedi Marg, it will take you to Vaikuntha. In Vidhi Marg, if you will follow, the person will reach to only Vaikuntha. With the Rag Bhakti, if a person will follow the Rag Bhakti from Vaikuntha, and then Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura, Golok and Vrindavan, the person will reach to Vrindavan. This is the thing. That's why one is Vidhi Marg and one is Raga Marg. But scripture is saying, that first a person, everybody should follow this Vidhi Marga. Understand? That's why it is mentioned. A person who is following this Vidhi Marg with the association of saintly person, so in that person the person will have greed in the Harikatha. That person will get taste in the Harikatha. when the taste will come, when the person have so much hunger,
तो अब वो भोजन के लिए क्या करते हैं?
then the person will, then he is hankering for the food.
भूख नहीं है,
The person who don't have hunger,
वो
that person is not feeling hungry, then he will ask any question: who made these, who offered these, there is salt more, there is salt less. The person will ask many questions. If you don't feeling hungry, there are many varieties of food, you will ask many questions.
एक भाई एक किसी ने भूख
Who
लगाया,
made these, who offered these, he was Brahman, he was a non-Brahman.
प्रश्न आए।
You will ask many questions. Sanatana Goswami Pad in Brihad Bhagavatam, he is mentioning this, he is describing that.
और जिसके प्रबल भूख लग जाता है,
The person who have strong, like he's feeling so much hungry, without even asking, he's just with closed eyes, he's just eating, start eating.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What does it mean?
रागानुगा भक्ति में एक
Raganuga
विशेष
Bhakti,
विशेष
there is a special dispensary, he is taking to the Ruchi,
आदमी के धीरे-धीरे
and
आगे
after the
बढ़ता
Ruchi, the person is
है।
increasing.
रुचुना इति रुचि, स्वादिष्ट लगता है।
The person feel taste.
जैसे किसी को भूख लग गया,
The person is feeling
कैसे भी
hungry.
भोजन दिया जाए,
You will give him
इतना
any kind of
आनंद
food, he will feel so bliss in eating that food.
एक व्यक्ति ने कहा मैंने रसोई बनाया,
So person said, okay, I
अरे
cook
महाराज आप
them.
बताना।
You tell me.
मैंने कहा देखो मैं तो मुझे भूख लग रही है।
Mara,
मुझे
I
बनाया,
said,
अभी तो कुछ
I am
नहीं
feeling
मेरे पास
hungry,
नहीं है।
I don't have any questions, I'm feeling hungry this time.
तुमने बनाया,
Whatever you have cooked,
हाँ ज्यादा अधिक ज्यादा कड़वा हो जाए, मैंने ज्यादा
if it's little bit bitter, if more salt, then I will say,
ऑलमोस्ट
if it's like
15
almost
और 19 हो कि 20 हो तो कुछ
15 or 19, it's okay.
क्यों ज्यादा भूख लग रही है,
Because I'm feeling so much hunger.
तुम ज्यादा नमक डाल दिया तो कैसे
If you
भाई
put
ये
too
भूख
much
है?
salt,
प्रबल भूख
then
लग
I will
जाता है,
say,
तो वो पूछना नहीं पड़ता है।
if somebody have like too much hungry, some person is too much hungry, then a person, if it's like half cooked or something,
ठीक नहीं लग रहा है,
if I'm not feeling so much hungry, if I have less hunger, I have hunger but less,
तो जितने तो हम पूछेंगे भाई एक
then you will give me anything, I will ask this, that, this is not properly cooked.
आप भी अपने देखना,
You will see yourself. You will do Nirjala today and tomorrow.
बार बार आप पारण के समय यदि देर हो,
If the paran time is little delayed,
11 बजे के बाद पारण,
it's after 10, after 11, after 10:30 is paran tomorrow. After 10:20 is paran tomorrow.
अच्छा देखो उस
So,
आप निर्जला करो,
If you will do Nirjala today and the paran is late tomorrow,
आपके इतना फिर के भाई 10:30 बजे
then you will be waiting for when will be 10:30.
लगे कि नहीं?
You will feel so much hunger, and whatever you will get, you will with so much bliss you will eat with closed eyes. You will eat. Sanatana Goswami Pad is giving this example.
सनातन को एक प्रसंग, एक बहुत सुंदर उदाहरण
He is giving so beautiful example. One in Brihad Bhagavatam, he is giving example. One is Vidhi Marg and Rag Marg. Listen, close your eyes and listen.
सुनो ठीक से,
Listen carefully.
सनातन मुझे बेहद भागवतम मुझे
Sanatana Goswami Pad is mentioned in the Brihad Bhagavatam. He is giving example.
एक व्यक्ति जो है
One person,
हिमालय की तरफ जा रही
he is going towards Himalaya.
है, तो हिमालय की तरफ जब चलने लगे,
When he is
वहीं
moving
पर उसको
towards Himalaya,
एक था, बोले बीच-बीच
there
में
was-
एक रेस्टोरेंट रहा था,
there was restaurants on the way.
जैसे लोगों के भोजन कर रहे, कोई
For-
महान व्यक्ति जो होते हैं, बोले यहाँ पर जितने लोग होते हैं हमें फ्री में भोजन कर,
Some like great persons, they are giving the food for the free. If you are going in Vrindavan, they are giving for free food for free.
तो उसमें दो प्रकार की भोजन की व्यवस्था कर दी।
There are two types of foods.
सनातन में उदाहरण
Sanatana
दिया,
Goswami
एक है,
Pad is giving
भाई भोजन
example.
तैयार है,
One food is ready.
आप जैसे चाहो
If you
ऐसे
will
आपको
go,
भोजन करा दिया जाए।
they will give you the
आप
food.
फलाहारी हो, फलाहार करा दिया जाएगा।
If you want
आप
fruits,
चावल, दाल,
if you want to
सब्जी,
eat dal or rice, everything they will give you. It's ready.
और दूसरी प्रकार की
And the
एक
second
प्रकार
one
की है,
is,
भाई अपने हाथ से आप बना सकते
you
हो,
can cook on your own. You can cook yourself. Some people are like this. I will cook myself.
ब्राह्मण है,
That who will make the he is Brahman or non-Brahman. Some people are in very like
दूसरे आपके
discipline that they don't like to eat from other person's hands.
दूसरे की हाथ के खाना को पसंद नहीं
They don't like to eat from other person hands.
सनातन को उदाहरण दे रहे
They
हैं,
like to cook
तो वो
on
व्यक्ति
their
इतने
own.
महान है,
So
उसके लिए कहा गया भाई तुम अपने हाथ में बनाना चाहते हो खाओ।
So the
उसके लिए
second,
आटा,
if you want to
दाल,
cook,
चावल,
everything
और यहाँ
is
से
there:
देखिए,
atta,
उसमें
dal,
जो
rice,
रसोई
the
की
gas is also there. Gas, everything is arranged.
आप अपने हाथ में बनाओ
So you can
और
cook on your own.
अपने हाथ में बना करके अपने बना करके
You
खा
can
लीजिए।
you
भोग
can
लगा,
offer
अपने हाथ
on yourself,
ये
and then
बात
you can
है।
eat.
रॉ मटेरियल रखा है।
So raw material are
और
available
अपने
there. You can
बर्तन
cook.
से लेकर सब कुछ आपके पास
Everything is there:
है।
pots,
ठीक है।
dishes,
और
everything is
दूसरी
there.
चीज़ कहा गया भाई तुम्हारे
And the
लिए
second place is that
सब भोजन की तैयारी
everything is
ठाकुर जी
ready,
भोग लगा के रखा है। ये
already
लोग लाइन में
offered to
बैठ
the
जाओ।
already offered to the Thakurji. You just stay in the queue,
अच्छा
sit in the
बताओ,
queue.
आपको क्या बोलते हैं?
What you will
आपकी
choose?
क्या इच्छा है?
You tell me what is your desire.
हैं? लाइन में बैठ जाओ। हैं? अरे नहीं यहाँ पर मैं वो व्यक्ति कहते हैं मैं
A person.
ठाकुर जी के प्रसाद है।
So a person will say that, okay, this is Thakurji's prasad, and the second person is saying that I will cook on my own.
आपने कहते हैं ना अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ, क्या बोला? अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ। पर जब अपने लिए बनाओगे अपने रुचि, शास्त्र में कहा है आप रुचि
In the
खाना और
scripture
रुचि परमेश्वर।
also it is mentioned.
आप रुचि खाना अपने रुचि के अनुसार भोजन करो।
So you have to eat the food as per your desire, as per your
शास्त्र में कहा गया
taste, what you like.
अनुसार भोजन करो।
You have to eat what you like.
है नहीं?
In the scripture this is mentioned,
हर व्यक्ति की रुचि
according to
अलग
your
होती
desire.
है। एक कथा कहावत है।
So this
आप
is
रुचि
the
खाना,
proverb.
अपने रुचि के अनुसार भोजन
You
करो।
have to eat
तब मीठ
as
रुचि
per your desire, according to your desire.
और पर रुचि परना, पर माने दूसरे की
And you have to
प्रीति के लिए कपड़ा आदि
And you have
वस्त्र
to wear clothes
खाना
for other people desire,
है।
what other
जैसे
likes.
फटा-फटा कपड़े पहने लोग कहेंगे,
If you will
"अरे,
wear the torn clothes, then people will say, oh, what you are wearing. So
अच्छा कपड़ा
you have to
पहने।
wear nice clothes.
तब है, सब समाज में आपको बैठने के लिए देंगे।
If you are sitting
देंगे नहीं देंगे।
in the society,
आप
people will look at you. If you are wearing the bad clothes like torn from many places.
इसलिए नीति शास्त्र में कहता है,
So in
आप
Niti Shastra
खाओ
it is
और
mentioned,
हमें इच्छा नहीं है अच्छी वस्त्र पहन कर।
I don't have desire to wear nice clothes, but we are going somewhere,
उनके मुताबिक किसके?
then you have to wear the clothes, you have to wear the dress as per the other people likes. That you are going in the parties. If you will go like this, people will say, stay away.
गंदा व्यक्ति है।
You are a bad person, you look so dirty. The person cloth is bad. How you are wearing the clothes.
यहाँ तक भगवान भी कहेंगे मैं तो एक पुतना को बच करके दूसरे
Lord will say, I already killed one putna, from where this other putna is coming. Lord will say, I am just joking.
कृष्ण भी कहेंगे
Krishna will say, one putna I already killed, from where this second putna is coming.
इसी तरह भगवान के पास जाओ।
So if you are going to the Lord,
फिर साईं महाराज कहते हैं,
you should always wear nice clothes. You should be always gentle. If you are listening his Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj,
विदेश में प्रचार में
in Western he is preaching, you should be
लेडीज एंड
you should be ladies and gentlemen.
क्योंकि विदेश में लोग सब
Because in Western everybody is wearing so nice dresses.
अच्छे कपड़ा पहनो तो लोग कहेंगे हाँ।
If you wear nice dresses, if you are going in train, people will say, okay, this is nice devotee.
किंतु लोगों की रुचि के अनुसार हमें कपड़ा
For
पहनना
we should wear the dresses as per the desire of other people, as per the the environment.
इसलिए कहा जाता है आप रुचि खाना पर रुचि बनो। अपने रुचि के अनुसार भोजन
You should eat as per your desire. Doctor will also give you the instruction. If your body is healthy, you should eat what you want, what you like.
दो प्रकार की व्यवस्था रखा
There are two types of arrangement.
वो रेस्टोरेंट के मालिक जो है इतने उदार है।
The restaurant's owner is so generous. He gave you everything, all the raw material, dal, chawal, oil, masala, spices, everything. Also he gave you the gas.
अपने
You can cook on your hand, and you can offer, and then you can take prasadam. This is
और दूसरी जो है
And the
कुछ
second
कहते
one?
नहीं, हमारे पास इतना समय नहीं है। ठाकुर जी के
some
प्रसाद
people are
चढ़ाए
saying we don't have time. You already offered, we will take. So what you will choose?
हैं? आप कौन सा लोग? ये बोले अपने हाथ से बना के खाएंगे। आप बताओ
You tell me.
कौन सा चाहते हो? अच्छा तैयार लड्डू ले लो। अच्छा कितने लोग तैयार है जो ठाकुर के भोग लगा है उसको ले लेंगे? वो लोग हाथ उठा।
Oh, sorry.
Prepared and also
Sorry.
that Mahaprasad already prepared. You want to take that Mahaprasad or another? That's raw materials. Raw materials you should prepare yourself and offer to Thakurji. Then we take prasad. Which one do you prepare?
Which? Already offered.
कौन कौन लोग already offered with that prasad?
Already offered.
इसको कहते हैं रागा।
This is known as Raganuga Marg,
और जो विधि मार्ग
which is already offered. If you will accept that, that is called Raganuga Marg. Vidhi Marg is there.
वो बोले अपने करके कुछ।
He will say that I will cook on my own. If raw material is there, I will cook on my own.
अपने इसमें ये विशेष है एक साधन के
One
द्वारा
is-
भगवान की कृपा है।
With the sadhan, you get the mercy of the Lord. And with the kripa, he is doing the bhajan.
समझ में आ रही
You understand?
है? ये कृपा के द्वारा भगवान की साधन कर
With that kripa, you are doing the
और ये
sadhan.
साधन करके वो कृपा को प्राप्ति करें।
And that with the sadhan, the person is getting the mercy.
और उसके
With the kripa
करके वो
of
फिर पुनः
the Lord, he is getting the mercy.
और ये तो
He is doing the
साधन
bhajan.
करते
And with the
जा रहे हैं।
sadhan, he is doing sadhan.
और भगवत कृपा
And then he is getting the mercy.
थोड़ा complicated है।
This is little bit complicated.
विधि मार्ग में क्या है?
Like in
हम
Vidhi
अपनी
Marg,
चेष्टा कर रहे हैं।
we are putting our endeavors.
भगवान की कृपा में-
And we are getting the mercy.
और दूसरी जो है
And the second one is,
भगवान की कृपा से मैं साधन करके
with the mercy of the
भगवान को
Lord,
प्राप्त
I am doing sadhan and then I am attaining to the Lord.
ये रागानुगा मार्ग है।
This is known as
ये
Raganuga Marg.
पूर्वजन्म के संस्कार के ऊपर निर्भर
This
करता है।
this completely depends on your previous impressions, previous sanskars.
पहले से तो मतलब हम जुड़े नहीं थे तो विधि मार्ग पे ही चल रहे
अरे
थे, लेकिन आप
पहले
जुड़े
से
तो आप
जुड़े नहीं, वो तो तेरे जन्म जन्म के संस्कार है ना।
So this is like previous
पहले से जुड़े
impressions.
ना, आगे से जुड़े, अभी कर रहे हैं,
If you are joined now or before,
निर्भर करता है
it depends on your previous sanskar, previous
एक
impressions.
व्यक्ति मृदंग बजा नहीं पाता है।
One person is not able to play the mridanga, and the small baby, he is playing the mridanga.
वो कैसे बजा रहे हैं?
Why he is playing?
तो पूर्वजन्म ने
Because he have
संस्कार
previous
पूर्वजन्म को
impressions.
बजाया था।
Means he already played in his previous birth. So that's why he is able to catch very fastly. That is known as sanskar, impressions from previous birth. If person have the impression, he is able to catch everything. He is able to learn things very easily. If you don't have sanskar, then you have to make it.
क्योंकि वो इस जन्म में जो शुरू किया
The person who started now, he started with the marg, then he reached to the level of rag marg. And if somebody already have this sanskar, he already did that.
शरीर बदल दिया
He only changed his body.
वो जल्दी पकड़ लिया।
Then he will able to learn easily, catch things very
भक्ति
easily.
राज्य में इसी भी कहा जाता है
So in Bhakti Rajya, this
कि
is.
तो सदियों के विधि मार्ग को पालन करना
But every have to follow this Vidhi Marg. People will say that okay, I have previous impression, I don't have to follow. No, for everyone, rules is same for everyone. Adu Guru Padashra, Diksha, Shiksha, Bhisham, Dina. 64 limbs of Bhakti. Everybody have to follow this. Vidhi Marg or Rag Marg, everybody have to follow it. Vidhi Marg, person is going slowly.
स्नेल के भक्त
Like a snail.
स्नेल के भक्त स्नेल
Like a snail.
वो धीरे धीरे
And the snail is like slowly.
नहीं स्लो एंड स्टडी दूसरी
Slow and steady is different.
हाँ धीरे चलता है
Snail, he walks slowly. And the second one,
वही जो विधि मार्ग के पालन करके जल्दी से चलता है ये नहीं है विधि मार्ग पे
the
neglect करे।
you should not neglect the Vidhi Marg.
जैसे विधि मार्ग की भक्त की भी गुरु पद से करना पड़ेगा
For Vidhi Marg, they have to accept the Guru Padashra, like accept the Gurudev. And Rag Marg also, they have to accept the Guru.
दीक्षा शिक्षा
Diksha,
विषम
Shiksha,
वेद, गुरु
Visham,
सेवा।
Vena, Guru Seva.
सबके लिए नियम तो एक दे रहे।
For everyone, rules is same.
विधि मार्ग में वो
But in
धीरे-धीरे
Vidhi Marg, the
धीरे-धीरे
person
चलता
is moving
है।
slowly,
जिसको
slowly.
विश्लेषण कर रहे हैं,
That is known as
श्लथगति कहा जाता है।
Sladati,
Snake,
like a,
ऐसे के
as like a snail.
snail ऐसे धीरे-धीरे
Snail is moving slowly, slowly, slowly,
अच्छा,
slowly.
कभी-कभी यह
And sometimes he stops.
है? आज मुझे देखा कि नहीं देखा?
You saw or no?
है? बंद हो गया।
Slow.
है?
Sorry.
फिर चलना शुरू कर दिया।
And then he starts
विधि मार्ग
moving
में उसी
again.
प्रकार करते-करते
So Vidhi Marg is same.
किंतु राग मार्ग में
But in Rag Marg,
वही भजन कर रहे हैं।
the same bhajan is doing.
उनके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
For him also,
गुरु पदार्थ
he have to accept the Guru Padashray, Diksha, Shiksha, but he will be able to move quickly. He will be able to get things very quickly. The person if is saying that I am Ragmarg, that I don't need Guru Padashray, I don't need Guru, no.
यहाँ पर एक थोड़ी सी आपको विचार देता हूँ,
You-
शंका ना उठे।
You should not have the doubt. Let me clarify, like Haridas Thakur.
पदार्थ के गुरु कौन है?
Who is the Guru of Haridas
इसने
Thakur?
दीक्षा लिया?
He took initiation from anyone.
लिया कि नहीं लिया?
He took initiation? No.
ऐसे प्रेम कैसे उत्पन्न
Then how Prem manifest in his heart?
है? बोले हरिदास ठाकुर कोई साधारण व्यक्ति
Haridas Thakur is not ordinary person. He is Brahma and combination of Brahma and Prahlad, the combined form of Prahlad and Brahma.
ब्रह्म। इसलिए आप अपने के मत सोचो
You don't think
कि मैं
yourself
हरिदास ठाकुर
that I am Haridas
है,
Thakur.
तो हरिदास ठाकुर को प्रमाण देना पड़ेगा 3 लाख
So then you have to
देना
give the
पड़ेगा।
evidence. You have to chant 3 lakh
ठीक है,
holy
गुरु
names.
करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Then you don't need the Guru.
3 लाख हरिनाम करते भी नहीं करते।
You are chanting 3 lakh Harinams or no?
हैं? बात ऐसे ही है कि
This
कोई
is
कहे
this is true
कि
or no?
भाई,
Some people are saying
मैं
that
हरिदास ठाकुर के
I am
बात को
Haridas
गुरु करने
Thakur.
की जरूरत
I don't need the Guru.
है। ये जो क्योंकि चेतन चेतन
Because in Chaitanya Charitamrita, some people are saying that
आदि अपेक्षा न करे इतिहास पर से आचंडले उद्धारे बड़े हरिनाम ऐसे एक मंत्रवत
Harinam,
क्रिया आदि करते हैं
Harinam is a
और दीक्षा पुरस्कार की
mantra.
जरूरत नहीं है
That Diksha and Diksha is not
नाम
required.
ग्रहण करने के साथ नाम लेने के साथ जिया के
But
ऊपर
just by chanting the holy names, the holy names start dancing on the tongue of the person.
अपेक्षा न करे
So that's why it is mentioned that
आचंडले उद्धारे हरिनाम ऐसे कहा
Harinam, these are the glories of holy name. This is for whom? This is for like a person like Haridas Thakur, like a great person like a Siddha Mahatma. This is for them. These are the glories of holy names.
नाम ऐसे वस्तु है
Holy names are
और पुरुष की जरूरत नहीं होती
the Diksha and Diksha are not required. Initiation is not required. A person have not taken the initiation, but still love will manifest in the heart. So it means that person have already did.
दीक्षा मंत्र आदि
He already took initiation in his previous birth,
और उनके लिए कोई अपराध नहीं
and
है।
he don't have
इसलिए
aparad,
पहुंच गए।
and that's why he reached to the level of prem. In Madhurya Kadambini this is mentioned.
हरिदास ठाकुर
Haridas
3 लाख
Thakur,
हरिनाम करते
he was doing 3 lakh Harinam every day.
3 लाख हरिनाम करते
Who is chanting 3 lakh Harinam every day? Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
3 लाख हरिनाम करते
You are chanting 3 lakh Harinam, holy names.
1 लाख भी नहीं हुए
No, I'm not able to do 1 lakh also.
आधा लाख भी नहीं हो रहे
Other lakh,
तो आप क्या हुए?
not half,
हैं? पौने लाख भी नहीं हो रहे
not 25,000.
तो इसके मतलब क्या है
What does it mean?
अब ये विकास से तुलना मत करो।
Don't compare yourself with Haridas Thakur, because in scriptures this is because of previous impressions. That's why a person is able to do.
कोई व्यक्ति के हृदय में किसी भी व्यक्ति दीक्षा नहीं लिया
A person who has not taken initiation,
प्रेम उत्पन्न हो गया
if that in that person heart
बस समझना चाहिए
love manifest, that means that person have done in his previous births.
गया था आदि हो।
Because of some reason there was some hurdle and now he started again. You understand?
किंतु ये नियम सबके लिए लागू नहीं
This rule is not for
है।
everyone.
पुरुष जो आदि अपेक्षा न करे जिहास पर से आचंडल उद्धार नाम कितने नहीं
These are the glories of holy names.
किंतु एक है साधारण नियम और
One
एक
is Sadharan Niyam and this is
साधारण नियम ये सबको यही लेना
and Vishesh Niyam. Sadharan Niyam is for all.
भगवान चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also accepted the Guru.
भगवान की क्या जरूरत है
Why Lord need the Guru?
गुरु करने की क्या जरूरत है
Why he needs the Guru?
भगवान हमें शिक्षा दे रहे हैं।
But Lord is giving us this teaching that we have to accept
दीक्षा
the Guru, Diksha, Shiksha.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya
दीक्षा लिए
Mahaprabhu, he took the initiation. He took initiation from Ishwar Puripal.
भगवान
Why Lord needs?
है रामचंद्र भी दीक्षा
Ramchandra, he also took
रामचंद्र
initiation.
किससे दीक्षा
He took initiation from
वशिष्ठ
Vashishta Rishi.
है रामचंद्र
Ramchandra.
कृष्ण भी दीक्षा
Krishna, he also took initiation from Raghu Rishi.
ऐसे शास्त्र में बना है।
This is all these things are mentioned in the scriptures.
यद्यपि भगवान की जरूरत नहीं है तो
Lord doesn't
भगवान
require this,
रूप
but
शिक्षा में भी।
for the ordinary people,
इसी
he is
प्रकार
showing
से
this.
दीक्षा शिक्षा विश्रम धेनु गुरु सेवा ऐसे करते करते धीरे धीरे आगे हम बढ़ते हैं प्रेम
we are
पहुंचते हैं।
we are reaching to
जो
the
कहते
level
हैं
of
हम
prema.
एकादशी पालन कर
Some
रहे हैं। बहुत
people are
संप्रदाय
saying
के
that
लोग
we
होते
don't want to observe the
हैं।
Ekadashi. Many
करने की
Sampradaya
जरूरत
people
नहीं
are
है।
saying that we don't need to do Ekadashi. This is known as Aprad. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he described me,
पालन करना
you should observe Ekadashi.
है 64 प्रकार की
64 limbs of Bhakti,
अंग पालन करने में
everybody
एक
should.
अंग जो कहा जाता है,
One of
एकादशी पालन।
the limb is one of the is
एकादशी
observing
पालन।
Ekadashi. This is mentioned.
बहुत संप्रदाय को हम एकादशी
Many
करने की
people,
जरूरत
many
नहीं।
Sampradaya people are there saying we don't need to observe Ekadashi. We are in the Ragmarg.
ये गलत विचार है।
This is the wrong
अरे
thinking,
नंद महाराज
wrong
एकादशी
belief.
किया।
So Nanda Maharaj, he is doing, he did Ekadashi.
और फिर
In Srimad Bhagavatam it is mentioned, and at that night time he went for taking bath, and then Varun Dev, he caught him and he take him with him. So this is mentioned.
भगवान भी एकादशी करते हैं।
So Lord himself is doing Ekadashi, Nanda Baba is doing Ekadashi. So you become superior to Nanda Baba.
एकादशी पालन करना।
So everybody should observe Ekadashi.
इसलिए
So that's
एकादशी
why
पालन
everybody should observe Ekadashi.
ये जरूरी है।
This is required.
इसलिए कहते हैं विधि मार्ग के छोड़ करके कोई राग मार्ग में
If somebody is leaving the Vedi marg and trying to enter the Rag marg,
उनकी भक्ति क्या है उत्पाद के केवल
that bhakti is called bhakti.
नागदादि पंचरत्न
Utpadika Kevalam.
वैकांतिक की हरि भक्ति उत्पाद की केवल श्रुति स्मृति
Shruti Smriti,
शास्त्र और स्मृति शास्त्र
Shruti Shastra, Smriti
और वेद
Shastra,
पुराण को सब पंचम वेद महाभारत आदि की छोड़ करके
Ramayana and Narad Panchratri.
उल्लंघन करके माने
If somebody is not following
जो कोई
that,
कहते हैं
if some person is saying that
वैकांतिक भक्त हूँ,
I am one-pointed Bhakt, I am Ekantik
उनकी जो
Bhakt,
भक्ति की कहा जाता है
that
क्या?
bhakti is known as
उत्पादकी
Utpadiki Kevalam.
उत्पादकी
Utpadiki means disturbance.
इसे
Follow Vedi marg.
राग मार्गे ये तो भक्ति की धीरे धीरे
So you have to move like this. Follow all the levels of the bhakti. Ekadashi,
पालन करने से
everybody should observe Ekadashi. Then a person gets Shuddha
भगवान
Bhakti.
प्रसन्न होते हैं।
Lord become happy.
इसलिए रागानुगा भक्ति के 5 अंगों के बारे
So in
में
Raganuga Bhakti, there are 5 limbs of bhakti, 5 levels,
भावमय साधन,
5 Bhavmay, Bhav Sambandhi Sadhan,
भाव अनुकूल
Bhav Anukul Sadhan,
भाव
Bhav Pratikul Sadhan, Bhav Aviruddh Sadhan. 5 levels, 5 types of sadhan.
ये समस्त विचार रागानुगा भक्ति में
In Raganuga Bhakti, these are mentioned.
भावमय साधन,
Bhavmay
5
sadhan.
प्रकार के भावों के कोई एक भाव को आप
You have to accept one of the bhav, one of the mood, Shanta Dasya, Sakya Vatsalya Madhurya. You have to accept one of the mood.
आपको अपनाना
You
पड़ेगा।
have to accept one of the moods.
भावमय साधन,
Bhavmay sadhan, Bhav Sambandhi sadhan,
जो भावों की जो एक संबंध रखते हैं,
the moods, relationship with the
नाम
moods.
मंत्र आदि जप
So you
करना,
have to chant the holy names according to
गोपाल
the
मंत्र आदि जप
Gopal
करना,
mantra. You have to chant the Gopal mantra
भाव के अनुकूल
according to your moods.
एकादशी आदि पालन
Ekadashi, you have
करना,
to observe the Ekadashi.
कार्तिक व्रत आदि
Kartik
पालन
Vrat,
करना,
observing a Kartik Vrat. That is called Anukul.
और
Favor.
भाव प्रतिकूल जो है,
भाव प्रतिकूल,
द्वारका ध्यान आदि, रुक्मिणी ध्यान आदि,
Non-favorable to
इसको
bhakti.
त्याग देना चाहिए।
Dwarka,
जो
thinking
भाव
of
प्रतिकूल
Dwarka, that is known as non-favorable to bhakti. You have to leave all that things
भाव
which is
अवरुद्ध
non-favorable to
neutral,
bhakti.
करे अन्य।
Bhava Niruddh, you neutral. You do or not do. Go seva, don't serving cows, serving Brahmins. That is called neutral.
पूजा आदि करते हैं हम लोग की क्या बोले असत फल क्या बोले पीपल पेड़ आदि
Oh, people paid.
गीता में
People
भगवान कहते हैं
paid.
मैं
People
पेड़ों
paid.
में जी मैं पीपल
People paid को क्या बोलते हैं? People paid trees. People trees.
किंतु करे
People
ना
are
करे,
worshipping
उसमें
people
कोई
trees. So you do or not do.
हानि लाभ
There
नहीं
is no
होता।
benefit, no loss.
इसको कहते
No
हैं
profit, no
भाव
loss.
अविरुद्ध।
Bhav, bhav,
मन
avirudh.
विरुद्ध भी नहीं है और मन
It's not favorable and not unfavorable.
ब्राह्मण को सेवा करो, करो
Serving
मत, तो क्या होगा?
Brahmans,
ब्राह्मण
you
की
do
सेवा
or not
करके
do,
क्या होगा?
what is the
अरे
benefit?
वैष्णव की सेवा करके तो
If you
ब्राह्मण
are
सेवा
serving
हो
the
ही जाए।
Vaishnav, then the Brahman Seva is already done.
वैष्णव में ब्राह्मण है, किंतु
In
ब्राह्मण में
Vaishnav there is
उसके लिए
Brahman, but in Brahman there is no Vaishnav.
क्या बोला?
What I said,
समझ में आया?
you understand?
क्या बोला? आप बताइए।
जो वैष्णव है उसमें ब्राह्मण का आ
है? किंतु ब्राह्मण में वैष्णवता नहीं
In
है।
Brahman there is no Vaishnavta, no Vaishnav.
एक वैष्णव की सेवा कर दी,
If you are serving one Vaishnav,
सैकड़ों ब्राह्मण की
then
सेवा
you already served thousands of Brahmins. You served one Brahman, you have not served even a single Vaishnav.
ब्राह्मणानां शास्त्रेषु सप्तजाति विशिष्यते। सप्तजाति सप्तजाति ब्राह्मणानां शास्त्रेषु एक ब्राह्मण से जो है सप्तजाति ब्राह्मण जो है अर्थात वेद पाठ ब्राह्मण जो श्रेष्ठ माना जाता है। और एक वेद पाठ ब्राह्मण जो है
One Brahman who
एक
one Brahman who is reading many these scriptures, that is superior when normal Brahman, and the other Brahman who is reading this all the
सब वैष्णव सेवा करने जो फल मिलता है, एक कोई कांति की वैष्णव सेवा करने फल करते हैं। हैं? 1.3 वैष्णव पूजा महाराज के चरण में होनी चाहिए।
So a person needs to be one-pointedness
जो वैष्णव है,
towards
उससे
the
सेवा करने से
towards the bhakti.
देखो क्या फल है। ये श्लोक याद
If the
करो।
person is one-pointedness,
सप्त जाति विशिष्ट सप्त जाति स्वस्थ एक श्लोक है। है? देखो श्लोक याद देखो। ब्राह्मणानां स्वास्त्रिभ्यो। अभी बाद में पूछो आप ये श्लोक क्या है?
ब्राह्मणानां
स्वास्त्रिभ्यो। में देखो।
check in the internet.
हाँ, श्लोक तो मैं
देख लूंगा बस रिकॉर्ड कर
ये पहली लाइन है।
This is the one first line.
सप्त जाति विशिष्ट
इंटरनेट
सप्त जाति स्वास्त्रिभ्यो। है? उसे करते करते कहते हैं एकांतिक वैष्णव।
The person become one-pointedness. Ekanti Vaishnav is known as who is one-pointed towards the lotus feet of Srimati, who surrender themselves onto the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. That is mentioned in the scriptures.
हाँ? लोहा की जो है उसके ऊपर जंग लग जाने से
If there is the rust on the iron and the magnet cannot attract that
निकाल दोगे
iron, if you will remove that rust, then iron can be attracted toward the magnet. So in the same way, this bhakti.
भक्ति की पहली क्रिया क्या है?
So what is the kriya? What is the process of the bhakti? All the anarthas in the person's heart, the pap, it will be removed from the person's heart. So when the bhakti will manifest, there are two things. One is kleshagni and then shubhda. Kleshagni means all the type of klesh, all the pap, tap, 5 types of rog, they also disappears. Avidya, asmita, rag, dvesh, abhinivesh. These are 5 types of, these are known as pancharog. Avidya, asmita, rag, dvesh, abhinivesh. Papa, beach, seed of pap. Papa vasana, the desire to do pap, it will also disappear. These are the glories of Nam. A person who is able to chant just one holy name, that is known as Namabhas. Namabhas have so much strength, so much power. With just only one name, with just only one chanting of one name, all the sins finish. With the Nama Prad, everything destroy, everything finish. If a person is doing Vaishnava Prad,
ये 6 प्रकार के वैष्णव अपराध।
There are 6 types of Vaishnava Aparad.
ये इसमें जो है वैष्णव अपराध में सब नष्ट हो गया।
With Vaishnava Aparad, everything destroyed. Leaving the Vaishnava Aparad, if a person is doing other Aparad, if a person is not doing Vaishnava Aparad but other Aparad, then by doing that Naam, the person is getting so much wealth. If person gets Shuddha Naam, that person is getting all the wealth from everything. With the Shuddha Bhakti, if you are chant pure holy names, all the wealth, money, fame, it will follow you. If you will chant pure holy names, everything will follow you. Dharma, Kam, Moksha, everything will follow you. Like a Maharani, she is going, all the sevikas, all the servants are following. You understand? Some is taking. The person is taking the betel nut and then throwing, spitting pot, spit tool. That is known as Pikdani. Lakshmi Devi, when she is walking, when Maharani she is walking, in Bhakta Rasamrita Sindhu it is mentioned. When Maharani she is walking, she is also eating the betel nut. We are Vaishnava, we don't take them. When Maharani Radharani she is walking, oh yeah, she is taking the betel nut. Radharani is offered betel nut. When you will go to Barsana, they gave you Pan Prasad, the betel nut Prasad. Betel nut. Tambul means pan, means betel nut. You understand? Rupa Manjari, she made the betel nut and she gave to Lalita, and Lalita she gave to Radharani, and Radharani she gave to Krishna, and Krishna he started chewing that betel nut, and Krishna his lips become red, and Radharani is looking, Radharani is thinking, she has so much anurag for me, because what is the symptom, what is the color of anurag? That is red. Radharani is thinking that Krishna has so much anurag for me, and Krishna is thinking different. Krishna is thinking Radharani is looking at me, looking at my betel nut. Maybe she needs remnants. She needs remnants of that betel nut. So Krishna, what he did, the remnants he was offering to Radharani, and Radharani she became man, and she turned her face to the other side. And at that time Krishna, what he did, and then he embraced Radharani forcefully, and then he kissed on her cheek. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
जमुना पुलीन और जमुना की मैं जल भरने के लिए जाऊं।
I will go to take the water of Yamuna. When I will take the darshan of Priya divine couple, then I will observe in Kamal Manjari saying this. I will not go back to my house. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, when I will take the darshan of this divine couple, I will not go back to my house. I will go here and there, I will wander here and there in the forest. I will do the kirtan of Radharani and Krishna everywhere.
जमुना पुरी ने कदम कानों ने की देखी नु की देखी ना कितना सुंदर है इसी लिए ना जाए वो बने प्रवेशी वो ओडी लाग सकता है
So beautiful this mood. This is the beautiful mood.
इसी प्रकार यही जो भजन करते करते
The person who is doing bhajan, all these things will manifest in your heart. Everything will manifest in your heart.
भजन करते करते
If a person is doing bhajan, how more you will chant holy name, Nam Prabhu will be merciful, give mercy. If you have done Sambandh Gyan,
नामभास नहीं हो रहा
if you don't get this Namabhas, after Namabhas, if you are not reached to the level of prem, then these things will not manifest. That's why this is mentioned. So that's Maharani, she is moving in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. This is mentioned. When Maharani is moving, walking, all the Sakhis there. One who is keeping this spitting pot. Radharani, she is chewing this betel nut. It's not India, she can spit anywhere. In India, if you will see all the temples, people are chewing and spitting. In the villages, all the towns, people are spitting. But Lord, this is so beautiful. Lord, He only accepts our qualities. He don't see our faults. Let me tell you one story. One story, he was chewing the betel nut and he went in the temple and he spit in the corner of the temple and he got the Sukriti. Lord, He saw that Lord is saying, He paint in my temple. Our thinking and Lord thinking is very different. One person is going. The can. Nobody should tobacco. Tobacco. And like the tobacco was more, so he did like he put the extra on the wall. So Lord said, "Oh, you did painting on my temple, so I will give you so much wealth." So Lord is very merciful. He make the Sukriti. If there is temple is there is a construction of temple is there. So if you put some like chuna, like some tobacco left on his hand, he put on the left part on the wall. So Lord said, okay, the temple was constructing and you put some tobacco, the part of the left, so I will give you so much wealth. Because if you will do intentionally, he did, because he don't know anything. He don't know anything. He just like that, like he spit. I'm not saying that you have to go and spit in the temple. He don't know anything. Lord give forgiveness to that person. Lord, the one is papi, and if you are doing intentionally, spitting, that is Gyan papi. Lord will punish that person. And one is simple, he don't know anything. This is the story from the Quran. So Lord is saying that, oh, you painted in my temple. So then he gets Sukriti. So this is only for the simple person who don't know anything. So anyhow, we have to serve the Lord. This is not the teaching that you intentionally go and you chew the bitter nut and spit in the temple. I'm not saying you like this. The person who are simple, the villagers, they are very simple. No aparadh. So Lord doesn't accept the aparadh from the simple person. He only accepts the qualities. So in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Bhakti Sandarbh, Jiv Goswami Pada is giving example. One villager was there. He was Brahman. In temple he was worshipping, and there was one ghee he left in the temple.
और इतने समय वो
And at
घी
that
लैंप
time,
बुझने वाला
and the
था।
ghee lamp was
इधर से एक
about
चूहा
to
उसके जो है बत्ती को जो है खाना समझ कर
about to finish, and the rat came there and he think that this is a food.
और जब उसे
So
पकड़
he
लिया,
catch
तो
that,
बुझने वाला था, वो
and
और भी
it was going to extinguish. So
उसके तो
he
घी-
catch
वो
that
घी के बुझ जो है उसको दांत में
with
लग गया।
it.
वो छोड़ा नहीं
The
पाया।
ghee lamp was touched on, and there was a fire, and he was not able to remove this. And with that fire, the fire was increased, and the mouth of the rat was burned, and he was moving like in a circle in front of the Thakur. And Thakur is thinking that he is doing arati in front of me.
ठाकुर जी के आरती करने जो फल होता है,
Then he get the fruit of doing arati of Lord, and he get the fruits. He don't know the rat. He don't know how to do arati. He is, because he was dying, he was moving like this. And Thakurji is, there is a difference in Lord's thinking and our thinking. So Lord, what he did, Thakurji, what he did,
राजकुमारी की
from rat, this mouse, this form, he became the Rajkumari's next birth, and he make him Rajkumari.
सूची नाम से होता है देह जो अवस्थ होता है। गीता में भगवान का
In Bhagavad Gita, Lord is describing, if somebody is doing little bit service for me, I will give him.
इतने धन संपत्ति
I will give him so much wealth, and I will. The person will take birth in the high dynasty.
भगवान शरीर का अभी क्या शरीर मिला उसको? राजकुमार।
He was mouse, and now he got Rajkumari. The Rajkumari have so much money. The Rajkumari from the birth,
पुराने संस्कार के अनुसार वो
from the previous impressions, she was doing arati since birth. She was always doing this arati, and from that she got Sukriti, and Sukriti, and she got the association of Narad Rishi, and then he heard the Harikatha of Bhakti, and she was following the Bhakti,
भक्ति के अनुसरण करके
and she was following the Bhakti, and then
भगवत धाम में चले
and she
गए।
went to the Lord's Dham.
यही प्रकार।
So this is, I'm saying,
जय जय श्री राम। साढ़े 10:30।
now it's 10:30. We have to go. हाँ ले लो, वो लिखिए।
इसमें ये भक्ति
So that's why we have to follow this bhakti.
एक रागन एक
One is Vedi bhakti, and another is Raganuga bhakti.
केवल वैदिक भक्ति जो
A person who is following only Vedi bhakti, he will reach only to the level of Vaikunth.
वैदिक भक्ति के
And who is following the Vedi bhakti, and then he is going towards Raganuk bhakti, and that person is reaching to the level of Golok Vrindavanam. Then person becomes a maid servant of Srimati Radharani.
ये तो राधिका और दसी यदि
होए अभिमान शीघ्र Gokul
राधा दसी
Radha Dasyam, the person become the maid servant of Srimati Radharani.
पलवन्नाव बिहारी लाल
गुरुदेव मुझे प्रश्न पूछना था। हम गुजराती लोगों में ऐसे होता है, कोई मर जाता है तो पीपल को
She have a
पानी देना,
question
ब्राह्मण
that
को खाना खिलाना।
if somebody died in our house, so we have to give donation, we have to worship the people tree.
पानी देना पीपल को। पीपल का पेड़ है ना, उसको पानी देना।
We have to give the person who have died, we have to give the water, offer the water to the people. The person who have died, that person will get everything. That person who have died, that person will get the water and food what we will offer to the people tree. So Gurudev is saying that person is already died, how he will get there everything. I am telling about two types of Pindadan.
पिंडदान नहीं, पिंडदान तो देते हैं।
Pindadan we are giving, but after 1 year, 2 years,
फल लेकर इधर फल
he-
2 बजे ओ अच्छा
यही तो है बुद्ध से।
हाँ थोड़ा फल दे दो उनको है हाँ? नहीं प्रभु जी वो जाएंगे ना उनको फ्लाइट है ना हाँ ले हाँ। ये पिंडदान आदि करने से
for,
पुण्य होता है
by doing this Pindadan, a person gets this get the pious
अरे वो
activity.
दे दो एप्पल है।
हाँ तो दे दो हैं?
वो ऐसा है, वो नहीं है
पिंडदान तो देते हैं वो ठीक है, लेकिन
They are doing giving this Pindadan,
पेड़ को पानी देते हैं ताकि
but they are giving the water to the
गुजर गए
dry tree.
देखो एक ऐसा है,
And if we are offering to the dry tree, the person who have died, that person will get everything there. So this is mentioned in the Karma Kand. So okay, if he will get anything, that will finish. If we will offer to the Lord and then we will give.
ये काम करते जा रहे हैं। संसार के
So
लोग
that's why
जो
I'm
है,
saying that
जैसे आप दे
this
रहे हो,
material
भगवान
people,
को
what?
कुछ करके यदि दिया
So
जाए,
if you will offer to the Lord, then you will give to
कुछ
Him.
भी करोगे, भगवान कहते हैं,
So whatever you have to
करके
do,
तुम लो।
Lord is saying first you have to offer me.
भगवान को अर्पित करके यदि
If you will
दिया जाए,
offer
उससे भक्ति हो जाएगी।
to the Lord, and then if you will offer a gift for that person, then it will be called as bhakti.
वो अर्पित नहीं कर नहीं पा रहे हैं। हाँ, इसके ले जाओ, ले जाओ, ये ले जाओ।
पानी आपो तो भगवान अर्पित करे પછી પાણી આપો તો ઇટ ઇઝ ગુડ ઉદાસ આવે
इसलिए
So that's why
मार्ग में
in Bhakti Marg, this is
कर्मकांड में
in Karma Kand,
के उपासना करके
they are worshipping Devi Devta, Demi
मर
Demigods.
गया, मेरा ससुर कितना साल हो गया, 20 साल हो गया मर गया, फिर भी अभी वो बोलता अभी पानी देना, उसका जो श्राद्ध कर्म को जो श्राद्ध आता है ना भाद्रवा महीने में, क्या तो वो काग को देना।
ये सब कर्म मार्ग में अब कुछ नहीं बोलिए। आप जब विष्णु मंदिर में जिक्र तो सब पे होगी,
If you are initiated in Vishnu Mantra, you don't need to do anything.
करें नहीं करें वो
You do or not do.
यदि देना है ठाकुर जी को,
If you want to offer, then you first offer to
तो कहीं
the
जन्म ले
Lord.
लिया।
That person already took a birth somewhere.
आज जब आप दीक्षित हो जाते हैं ना,
If you got initiation
कृष्ण मंदिर दीक्षित हो जाते हैं,
in Guru Mantra, and
ये आप करने की जरूरत नहीं।
then you don't need to do
यदि
anything.
तो अपने मन नहीं माने तो करो।
If you want to do, but still you can do, that is
ये
neutral.
होता है क्योंकि समाज में जब रहते हैं,
If you are staying in a
समाज के
society,
लोगों के लिए करना पड़ता है।
for showing to the people, you have to do
उसमें
society.
आपकी रुचि नहीं रहता।
But you don't have taste. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did Shraddh for his father. He went to Gaya. Ramchandri also did. This is for the people only, showing to the people.
वैष्णव भी जो करते हैं, कुछ लोग शिक्षा के लिए उसी उसको
Sometimes Vaishnava are doing, they don't have any desire to
रुचि से
do.
कर रहे हैं,
Some people are
और
doing
एक
for
लोग शिक्षा लेके करते हैं, लोग एक नहीं।
for their desire, and some people are doing for others'
क्योंकि यदि
sake.
नहीं करें, लोग कहेंगे यार ये तो
If you will
नहीं
not
करते
do,
हमारे साथ, ये
then
तो
people,
नास्तिक है।
then the society will say, oh, they people are atheists.
उसको परेशान करेंगे।
People have fear
अरे
that
आपको नहीं करेगा,
the person who have died, they will become the ghost and
वैष्णव मंत्र में जब
give them,
वैष्णव मंत्र
they will
जब
disturb.
लोग गुरु मंत्र
So when you are chanting the Guru Mantra, Vaishnava Mantra, Krishna Mantra,
ये सब हो जाता है।
everything already done.
कैसे डर लगता है, नहीं हम नहीं करेंगे तो पितृ आके हमको परेशान
So
करेंगे।
we have fear that all the Pitra, they will disturb us.
परेशान नहीं
They will not disturb you.
वो प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे।
They will be happy if you
यदि
will.
आपके मन में ऐसे ठाकुर जी को भोग लगा करके देखो,
If you have something in your heart,
जब आपकी
what you have to do, you have food, offer to the Lord, and then you can give to that your Pitra,
हम लोग
Pitra,
जैसे किसी के मन
who
में
have died,
है, हम
forefathers.
किसी करो, पिंडदान करा देते हैं, वो
पिंडदान.
पहले ठाकुर जी को भोग लगाते हैं।
So Pindadan, if you have to do the Pindadan, first you have to offer with the Krishna mantra, offer to the Lord, and then you have to offer to your forefathers. The mantra, there are mantras. Then they become more happy.
हाँ, समझिए?
You understand?
हाँ। लोक शिक्षक कुछ होता है, लोक शिक्षक के लिए करना पड़ता है, करें ना
Few things we have to do for the society, for showing to the society. That is known as neutral.
रागानु का भक्ति के जो मैं 5 अंग
Raganuga Bhakti, which I told the types.
एक होता है
One भावमय साधन, भाव संबंधी साधन, भाव अनुकूल साधन, भाव प्रतिकूल साधन, and भाव अविरुद्ध साधन. Aviruddh means which is not opposite. That is not favorable, then that is not unfavorable. That is neutral. Like serving cows, Brahmins. You can give to the Brahmins. What benefit you will get? That Brahmins that will use the money for the daughter and son marriages. So Brahmins are asking for money, the money for the marriage of daughter and son. So I am saying, you gave the birth, You gave the birth. Why you are asking the money? I'm not responsible for your daughter and son. You gave them birth. You are responsible for them.
आप बताओ,
Why you are asking money from
बात सही है कि
me? This is right or
तुम
no?
अपने कर्म मार्ग में गए,
You
अपने
are in
बेटा
your
बेटी पैदा किए, तुम कर्म
karma. You gave the birth. Why you are asking the money from me for their marriages and everything?
तुम साधु से क्यों मांगते हो?
Why you are asking from the sadhu?
हैं? कुछ लोग होता है,
Some people are.
बोले साधु के पैसे भी हड़प
Some
लेगा।
people let me take the money from the sadhu.
साधु के पैसे हड़प लेगा।
Let me take the money. Let me. Sadhu have so much money.
अरे साधु के पास पैसे और भगवत सेवा के लिए।
Sadhu have money, but this is for service of the Lord.
भगवत सेवा में लगाना
I got
है।
the money. I will use this for the
हमारे
Bhagavad
बेटा
Seva.
बेटी की सेवा में लगे, हमारे फल क्या मिलेगा? आप
If I will give you for your daughter and son, what benefit I will get? Tell me.
हैं? बात ही सही है कि
This is right or not?
आपको जो आत्मचिकित्सा शास्त्र में जो कहा गया,
In the scriptures, it is mentioned that we should give some donation to the Brahmins. We should
लोग
do.
समाज में रह रहे हैं।
Because we are staying in the society. But this is not required.
हमें कहते हैं
People
महाराज,
are saying,
हमारे
"Maharaj,
बेटी की शादी के लिए, हम बेटी की शादी के लिए तो साथ-
for my daughter's marriage, my son's marriage, please give me some money."
तुम्हारी बेटी के लिए तुम अपने करो, काम करो।
You should work for your daughter's
बच्चा
marriage.
क्यों पैदा किया?
Why give birth to the birth? I'm not in favor of the marriage. If you will come to me,
मैं तो शादी को बर्बादी कहते हैं।
I'm saying shadi as barbadi.
बात ही सही है कि नहीं?
Shadi is
शादी
like
को तो हम कहते हैं बर्बादी कहते हैं।
barbadi, like
ठीक है,
destruction.
तुम किया तो करो।
If you did marriage,
हमारे पास आओ तो गाली सुनना पड़ेगा तुम्हें।
if you will come to me, then
वैष्णव कहाँ से आएगा?
he's saying that if
वैष्णव का शादी कहाँ से आएगा?
तुम्हारे बेटा साधु बना कि नहीं बना?
your son become
हैं? ज्यादा बात मत करो, सब खोल देगा बोल। चुपचाप रहो, आराम से सुनो। हैं? नीचा मंत्र दिया, जनों के फेंक देते हैं। चुपचाप रहो।
you stay silent,
वैष्णव बन जाए, सब नहीं वैष्णव बनेगा।
everybody will not become Vaishnav.
संस्कार हो,
This is as per the previous sanskar.
हैं?
एक तो बनेगा 100 में से।
100 में एक बनेगा।
In 100, one will become Vaishnav.
भगवान की कृपा नहीं।
चाले छे
If the person don't have the mercy of the Lord,
एकादशी को अनाज का दान करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए?
नहीं, शास्त्र में लिखा है।
In the scriptures it is mentioned,
यहाँ तक कि शास्त्र में लिखा है, अनाज दान करना नहीं।
you should not donate grains also.
गाय को पशु है, गाय को खिलाओ।
Cow is animal, you can give the grain to the cow. Cow is not doing observing Ekadashi.
आपने तो अच्छी पशु है।
You ask a good question.
ये विधि नहीं दिया गया।
There is no rule for the animals.
मनुष्य के लिए विधि दिया है।
There is only rule for human beings. You can give the food to
भगवान को भोग
the
लगाते हैं एकादशी
you
वाले
can give the food to the cow.
अरे गाय जो है,
Cow
पशु जो है, उसे कहा जाता है,
animal is known as
उनके जो कर्म उसके कहा जाता है भोगजनी कहा जाता है।
that is known as
मनुष्य
bhogyoni.
में दो होता है, एक
In
भोगजनी
Manushya,
है
in
और नया कर्म
bhogyoni
सृष्टि
and
है।
new karmas are also
इसलिए
there.
गाय को आप खिलाने से
You can
दोष
offer
नहीं
to the
लगता।
cow. There is no problem.
भगवान को भोग लगाते हैं जो
हाँ।
वो
What we
एकादशी
are
वाला
offering to
भोग
the Lord?
लगाते हैं या अनाज बना के?
एकादशी वाला
देखो,
For the
हम
Lord,
कहते हैं,
I'm saying
भगवान की जो है,
for the Lord,
आप अनाज भोग करके
you
बड़े
can
चावल
offer the
दाल
food,
बनाओ,
dal, rice to the
ठाकुर
Lord.
जी भोग लगाओ।
You should offer to the Lord.
तो भगवान को बंधन नहीं है ना ऐसे?
नहीं, भगवान
For
की
Lords,
विधि।
no
भगवान
rules and
की विधि
regulation.
करो।
Why we are saying the Lord?
हैं?
Bhagavan. For Bhagavan, there are no rules and regulation. You can offer him the food. In our Gaudiya Math,
सब ठाकुर जी के दाल
they are
चावल
offering
खिला
dal
दीजिए।
chawal.
सब
On
बना
Ekadashi,
दीजिए।
dal rice, they are offering to the Lord. Very nice for the puri paneer, everything they are offering to the Lord. And the second day, they are using for the paran.
हाँ।
जो गाय को हम खाना दे वो कृष्ण को अर्पण करके फिर बाद में गाय को खाना दे
दे सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर पशु के लिए विधान नहीं है।
No rules and regulation for the animals.
पशु के लिए सारे विधान, शास्त्र विधान किसको दिया गया?
And the rules and regulation is for human beings.
हाँ, समझे?
You understand?
पशु है, वो तो पशु जो नहीं, वो तो
Human
भोग
beings,
करता है।
that is bhogyoni.
हैं? हाँ जी, पशु एकादशी थोड़ी करता है।
Animals, they are not doing Ekadashi. They are not observing Ekadashi. That is known as bhogyoni.
इसलिए पशु के लिए नहीं कहा।
So these rules are not for human animals.
कुछ लोग जो है एकादशी दिन,
Some
केवल
people who
चावल
they
दाल
are
नहीं बनाते हैं।
observing.
हैं?
Some
वो
people
नहीं बनाते, वो डर के मारे बनाते नहीं है। कहीं वो भूल से खाने के लिए
Some people, they are not cooking rice dal on day of Ekadashi.
भगवान के लिए विधि
By mistake they can eat. So with the fear they are not cooking the dal and rice. So Lord is beyond all the rules and regulations. All the rules and regulations are for the human beings only.
अरे नंद महाराज भगवान को
Nanda Maharaj,
शिक्षा के लिए करते हैं
Nanda Maharaj, he don't need to do, but he still observe the Ekadashi.
नंद महाराज भगवान के नित्य परिकर हैं।
Nanda Maharaj is eternal associate of the Lord. He is not a Jiva Tattva.
तत्व के लिए
All the instructions are for the Jiva Tattva.
नंद महाराज की
Nanda Maharaj, he is not the Jiva Tattva. He is the Parikar Tattva.
सत्य के एक प्रकाश है। आज नंद महाराज
Nanda Maharaj, don't compare.
भगवान हमें लोग
Lord also was observing Ekadashi. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also observed Ekadashi.
महाप्रभु कहने लगे
Mahaprabhu said,
आज मुझे अन्न खिला
Mahaprabhu said, today I want the food.
मैं स्वयं भगवान हूँ भगवान
I am the Lord. Lord is beyond of all rules and regulations.
लोग शिक्षा के दे रहे हैं।
And Lord, He is giving teaching to that what I am following, you should follow. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, this is
आज
mentioned.
जो है बड़े महाप्रभु रोने लगे
Mahaprabhu start crying.
बोले हमें जो देखो एकादशी दिन भर बोले कुछ कहाँ
On the day of Ekadashi, Mahasaji, they said, I didn't cook anything.
वो एक भक्त है इसके नाम
One devotee, Hiranya,
है ना? बोले उन्होंने यहाँ भूख लगाया
he offered today. He offered food today. Bring from there.
इसीलिए दिखाते हैं भगवान विधि के अधीन
Lord
नहीं।
is beyond rules.
आज यदि भगवान विधि के अधीन, तो भगवान और जीव में अंतर क्या है
If Lord is also following the rules,
भगवान
and
गिरिराज गोवर्धन क्यों उठाए
so what is the difference between the Jiva and Lord?
कोशिश कर
Lord, he holding the Giriraj. Can you do? Try.
ये पत्थर तो उठा नहीं पाएंगे
You will be not able to hold the one stone.
उठा सकते
Will you be able to hold the 50 kg stone? You will be not able to hold even a banana.
इसलिए सब चीज भगवान और
So
जो शुद्ध भक्त हैं,
this is different for Shuddha Bhakt, and
नियम जो कुछ भी है
all the rules and regulations are for the conditioned soul.
उत्तम भागवत जैसे गौरकृदास बाबा
Like Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj.
अरे आप दूसरी कथा भगवान के छोड़ दीजिए गौरकृदास
Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, on the day of Ekadashi, he is eating rice. And he is not eating for 3 days. He's saying, people are saying, eat. He's saying, today is Ekadashi. Next day, take food. He's saying, today is Ekadashi. And on the day of Ekadashi, he is taking the rice. He is Uttam Bhagavad.
यदि आप ऐसा
If you are like this, do.
कुछ जो नियम होता है उत्तम महाभागवत के लिए
Some rules and regulations, some rules and regulations are not from Uttam Bhagavata, but still they are following all the rules and regulations. Gurudev did Ekadashi or no? Gurudev, he observed Ekadashi. He gave the teaching. He's Uttam Bhagavat. He don't need to do, but still he was observing Ekadashi. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord is describing
काम करते हैं उसके पीछे पीछे
the topmost person, the senior person, whatever he's doing, the others will follow. So, for giving the teachings to other persons, so Lord is showing. It is not required for the Lord, but still he's doing. All these rules and regulations is showing. showing.
उसको जो नियम दिया है उसको दिखाना पड़ता है।
So these rules and regulations, Lord is showing.
हरिदास
Haridas Thakur, who is the guru of Haridas Thakur, how love manifests in his heart. I can say that I don't need guru. I don't need the initiation mantra. Haridas Thakur, who was he? He is the combined form of Brahma and Prahlad. And how much he was chanting? He was chanting 3 lakh Harinam. If you are able to do 3 lakh Harinam, then no, don't need guru. You are doing 3 lakh Harinam or no? Then don't compare yourself with Haridas Thakur. These are the glories of Harinam. Somewhere Uttam Bhagavad, their activities, you should not doubt when you are looking the Uttam Bhagavad. You should not have doubt. In Haribhakti Vilakti, you should never invite anyone to take food. If they are taking,
उसके बुलाओ, आओ आओ प्रसाद लो।
Don't invite anyone to take fruits. If they are taking fruits on their own, don't invite anyone. Maybe they wants to do nirjala, but what you did, you break. He wants to do nirjala and you gave the fruits. Don't invite even for the fruits. This is mentioned in the scriptures.
एकादशी के दिन किसी को
On the day of Kadashi, don't invite anyone. You should not ask anyone for the food. On the next day of Ekadashi, you can offer the food.
उनके भजन के लिए
On the day of Ekadashi, you should not ask anyone about the food.
एकादशी के दिन भी
On the day of Ekadashi,
हैं? फलाहारी नमूना पकड़ते हैं।
Falahare Namaha. You can do this mantra, Falahare Namaha.
तुम्हारी साथ गड़बड़ कर दी, बेकार मेरे पास गाली सुनने के लिए बेकार कर दे रहा है। अरे शादी नहीं करते वैष्णव बच्चा कहाँ से आएगा? अपने वैष्णव बनाओ, वैष्णव बच्चा आता भाई। बोला तो आप क्यों बोलते हो?